What do you see? A brand new hue.
What do you see? A brand new hue.
Orange is here, bright and new.
Orange is here, bright and new.
Look, orange, look at that. Bright and bold, just like that. A little bit of red, a little bit of yellow. Mix them up and orange will show. Red and yellow, mix, mix, mix. I see orange on a juicy tree.
I see orange on a juicy tree.
A pumpkin big, a carrot sweet.
A pumpkin big, a carrot sweet.
The sunset glows with orange light.
Sunset glows with orange light.
What a color, big and bright. What a color, big and bright.
Let's mix again.
Red and yellow mix so fun.
Red and yellow mix so fun.
Swirl them up and we're not done.
Swirl them up and we're not done.
1, 2, 3, what do we see?
1, 2, 3, what do we see?
Orange again, so bright and free.
Orange, orange, look at that. Bright, bold, just like that.
A little bit of red, a little bit of yellow. Mix them up and orange will show.
Now you know how orange is made, so go find some orange things today.